Sonar 40. Is that sound still out there?
Rückmeldung in 60 Grad. Ganz schwach.
That line, pretty good.
What's going on, Jonesy? I can hear her. What the hell is it? Splashes.
3,000 yards closing awfully. Mother of God.
Don't you just love playing Submarine, Gary? Prepare to dive!
The SpongeBob SquarePants movie.
Captain, sir, you're never gonna believe this.
For a second, I thought I heard what? I thought I heard singing, sir.
Hop on board and explore the island of Sodor with everyone's #1 friend, Thomas the Tank Engine. You'll join in on the excitement and adventure with all of Thomas's friends. There's the cheerful but sometimes accident-prone Percy, the proud and strong Gordon, James with his splendid red coat, the long and fast Henry, the always helpful Bertie, everyone's new friend Emily, and Sir Topham Hatt, the superintendent of the railway, who makes sure everything keeps running right on time. Each release in this award-winning collection contains stories that teach the valuable life lessons of friendship and working together, and the importance of trust and honesty.
Thank you for looking after my passengers. I do like company, especially children's company.
And now, little engineers have an express ticket to trainloads of interactive fun, now available on DVD. Join your railway friends as they take you to island destinations such as the Fun and Games Shed, Sing-Along Station, Read-Along Depot, and the Character Gallery, where you'll meet each engine up close and personal. Each Thomas the Tank Engine release is engineered for fun. The journey starts here, so climb aboard for all of these Thomas and Friends adventures today.
Ahoy, mates! Climb aboard for 7 fun-filled days on the SS Nancy.
In all their adventures, the Rugrats
Island of the world!
have always gone far.
This is just like my backyard. Only there's no Rebel Ducky. And I'm not Nicky.
But this time,
Whoa! It's a 40-foot wall of water!
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
they're going completely overboard.
Abandon ship!
Land ho!
Now,
We're stuck on a tropical island that don't got no people on it. But we're here, Angelica. I mean people who matter.
they're about to discover wild adventure,
Let's go. Well, there's the bald leading the bald.
wild life,
Crocodile!
and something beyond their wildest dreams.
Pipe down, monkey!
Where'd you come from? This is supposed to be a deserted island.
The wild thornberries,
Look, it's Nigel Strawberry.
I'm coming down!
Are you okay, mister?
Watch what I can do. I'm a ballerina!
Maybe he's got the IP rash.
Spike finds his voice,
Could you give a dog a little warning?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You know, it's funny. For a minute there, I thought I actually heard you talking to me. You talking to me? Are you talking to me?
Yeah, I can talk to animals. It's a long story.
Chucky meets his double,
When did Chucky start talking backwards?
and Angelica
I love this song!
Hey, me too!
meets her match.
Woo! Should I stay or should I go? Woo!
Yeah, put a sock in it, knucklehead.
Rugrats Go Wild. Featuring the voice of Bruce Willis as Spike.
I ate one of Chucky's diapers one time, and let me tell you, that is spicy.
Woof! That's right, I said woof!
Welcome to the Thomas and Friends DVD experience. Welcome to the island of Sodor. I'm Sir Topham Hatt, and I hope your journey here was a pleasant one. We have so much planned for you today, and the engines can't wait to take you on the adventures of Thomas and the jet engine. Make sure you visit all the story stops and the extra features, including 3 fun-filled games, Thomas's Character Cube, the Thomas Gallery, a sing-along song, and web fun. Hi, I'm Thomas. Hop on board and jet right into all of the exciting adventures that Thomas and the jet engine has to offer. Hi, I'm Percy, and if you come with me, I'll take you directly to your favorite Thomas and the jet engine episode. Ahoy, matey. I'm Salty, and I love to sing while I'm hard at work down by the seaside. Join in singing along with me to an all-new Thomas and Friends sing-along song. Boo Boo Choo Choo. Hi, I'm James. Hop on my splendid engine and explore some of the Thomas and Friends products that you can find in stores. There are books, videos, DVDs, wooden trains, and more. Hi, I'm Harold, and there are a lot of fun things to do on the island. Click on my banner and I'll fly down and take you on many exciting adventures. You can play Memory Madness, Counting Corner, or What Came First, and visit Thomas's Character Cube and Web Fun.